welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got my hair this colour purple. I do usually go to the hairdressers to get my hair done, so I was just giving it a little bit of a top up until the next time I go to the hairdressers. So the hair dye that I used was the Colour Freedom dye. This one is in the shade Indigo Night. It's quite a big tub actually. You get 150ml and it is this big. To be honest, you really don't need much of this with it being quite a dark shade. I just mixed up a big bowl of conditioner. You can just pick any conditioner as long as it's a white one. I just mixed it up with this and then I just added in a few drops of this. So this is the colour it's meant to go if you don't mix it with anything, because you can just put it straight on your hair, and this is the colour that it's meant to go if you do mix it with something. So yeah, I applied this, put it all over, left it on for 30 minutes as it says on the box, washed it off, dried my hair, and this is what I finished with. I actually really like the colour that it came out with though. It's more or less the same colour as what it does when I actually go to the hairdresser, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got my hair this colour, then just keep watching. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.